one of the things I try to do when I'm in conflict with her or anybody, I want to get alone. I want to settle down. I want to get to a place of peace. And one of the questions I always ask myself is this: do I want to feel this way? Well, no, I don't want to feel this way. But see, anger is like something that we hold on to, and it's almost like grief. When we lose people that we love and that we care about, we hold on to the pain of that horrible experience because that's the closest thing we have to holding on to that person. But we do that with anger. We will hold on to anger because that's the closest thing we can have to getting even with that person. But the real truth is, you're not getting even with anybody when you hold on to anger. You are just committing emotional suicide. And so I'll just ask myself, do I want to feel this way? No, I don't want to feel this way. Well, it's not enough to say what I want to do. What am I going to choose? And so I will always deliberately, I do most of this out loud. I choose to be happy. I choose to be fulfilled. I choose to be patient. I choose to be kind. I choose to overlook these offenses. I choose to enjoy life and enjoy my marriage and enjoy my wife. Listen, instantly, all of my emotions change. Instantly, all of the anger and wrath just disappears just because I chose to have different set of emotions. And so many times, people are like, well, I can't do that. No, you can do it.